Hi guys, welcome back. In the last video we did multiplication tables using loops in Python. In this video we'll continue our journey with loops. We'll do a quick and simple example of exponentials. Just to give it a little perspective, an exponent is anything to the power of anything. For example, b to the power of 1 equals b, so you multiply b one time. So if b is 10 and you got 10 power 0, anything power 0 is 1, 10 power 1 is 1, 10 power 2 is 100, 10 power 3 is 1000, so on and so forth. What we're doing here is we're getting a number and we're getting an exponent. They're both input values, and we're converting the text strings from input values to integers, and we're assigning the value total 1, and we're multiplying. We have a for loop. The range for the for loop is from 1 to x plus 1. X is the variable, the exponent. So if you're entering 2 to the power of 3, so this becomes 1 to 4, which is good. And then what we're doing is we're assigning the value total, which is 1, to be in the beginning. We're assigning it the multiplicated value number and total, and then we're just printing total. So what we're doing here is each time the for loop runs, for each number in this range, we're assigning the value total, the multiplication of total times number. Just to give it perspective, we do that. To run this now, we just say the value of number is 5. We want to do 5 times 3 is 125, and that's what should come up. If I run it again, I'm gonna do 10 times 10 is well, that's that number, whatever that is. So just a quick test again, I'm gonna give it 1000 times 0, and it should print 1. There it is. So that's a very simple use case with again loops and getting input from a user. Please leave comments if you have any questions. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you need notifications. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.